Hello everyone. In this video, we are going to see about EIGRP packets. There are 5 EIGRP packets. They are hello, update, query, reply, and acknowledge. Let's see what each packet do. Hello packet, it just sends a hello and just receives a hello packet in order to form a neighborship. That is the EIGRP neighborship. Once a router sends a hello packet and the other router receives and again sends a hello packet, they will form a neighborship. So this is why the hello packet is being used. Next is about a update packet. Update is nothing but it will give its information, EIGRP information to the neighbor so that they can transmit a packet via EIGRP protocol. So that's why the update packet is being used. Query packet is nothing but if one of the packet or one of the information is being lost in one router, it will send the information or query. It will send a query to other EIGRP neighbors whether they know about the particular information. So that's what a query is about. And a reply is that a query packet needs a reply so that whichever the information that is being asking to the neighbor, it needs to be get whether they know or not. So that's why the reply packet is being used. Next is about acknowledge. Since EIGRP is a reliable protocol, it needs to be acknowledged. So update, query, and reply. These 3 packets needs to have acknowledge whenever they send up packets. So that's it about EIGRP packets. Let's see something about in the terms of topology. This is the topology that we are using. Once, let's consider this R1 and R2. Once they send a hello packets between these two ends. Once they send a hello packets and receive hello packets, they will form a neighborship. So hello packet gets over. Next is about update packet. Update packet is nothing but it will get the information, whatever the information that it is having, or the information that it is received from the other router, that is considered from this interface, whichever if it is receiving something from the EIGRP, all the information will be shared between the neighbors so that they will have a full topology of table. So that's where the update packet plays a role. Next is about a query packet. Let's consider this interface, this network, that is 1.1.1.1/32 network, that is learned from fast Ethernet 0/2 interface from some other neighbor on the left hand side of R1. Suppose due to some reason this network, that is 1.1.1.1/32, is being removed from that table. So it doesn't know where the network is about. So what R1 does is that it will send a query to other neighbors. So it is received in this interface, the route is being received for a long time. Now it doesn't have information how to reach this. So without other than this interface, that is fast Ethernet 0/2, other than this interface, it will send to all other EIGRP neighbor interfaces. It will send a query to R2 and query to R3 about this network, that is 1.1.1.1/32. Do you have any information about this router, about this network, to R2 and R3, so that the R2 and R3 could know if they would reply. So that's why it will send a query to them. If R2 knows it, it will gives a reply back to R1, or else it will send a query again to R4. R3 will send a query again to R5. So this is what it will do. After some time, it will just gives the reply. R4 will give the reply to R2. In the same way, R5 will give the reply to R3, and R3 to R1, and R2 to R1. So this is where a reply plays a role. So there are 2 forms of reply will be there. One is they will give the information. Yeah, I know to reach this network, this is the information, and this is the metric to reach it. This is what information you need. Just get this information. That's what it will say. Let's consider R3 knows the information to reach, and it will gives to R1. This is the information you requested, and some with a metric value. with metric value, it will just give the information to R1. It will update in its topology table. Next is about R2. Let's consider if the R2 doesn't have any information about a particular network. So what does it reply to R1 is that it will reply to R1. This is the information I have about 1.1.1.1 /32, but it will also update with infinite metric. It will reply with infinite metric. So automatically it knows that it doesn't have information about this network since it's infinite metric. So this is how the reply packets plays a role. Next is about acknowledge packet. Acknowledge packet is nothing but update, query, and reply. These three packets needs to be acknowledged. Once the update packet is being sent, it needs to be acknowledged from the neighbor so that it can confirm it receives the acknowledged packet. Next is about a query packet. In the same way, it needs to be acknowledged, and reply packet also needs to be acknowledged. All these three packets needs to be acknowledged since EIGRP is a routing protocol. And that's it about EIGRP packets. I hope you understand. If you have any queries or questions regarding EIGRP packets, just give a comment. That's it. Thanks for watching. Until next time.